So Dallas got home from school and she was playing with her silly putty slime that like farts, and it's right here. It's like pink and squishy, and like she just really likes it. And she put it across her face to make a mustache and decides to get it.
And I got some in my hair.
Yeah. So I just had to Google how to get slime out your hair, which I thought I would never have to Google for my oldest, just my youngest. And Google says mayonnaise will take the slime out and a fine-tooth comb. So we're about to try this and see if it's going to work.
Are you going to cut my hair?
No, we're not going to cut your hair, boo. Alright, come here. Let me put some mayonnaise in your hair. Come here. We're back from the shower, and Miss Dallas does not have any slime in her hair. We just have to brush it, and the mayonnaise came out really easily. So if your youngin ever gets slime stuck in their hair, put some mayonnaise and just smooth it in like you would like a detangler or a hair oil or a shampoo or whatever, and then just comb it easily the best you can that you're not hurting them, and it will come right out. So it was really simple, cheap, and we had everything on hand. Say hey, Gavin.
Hey, my name, see, that's my name.
So we will check in later. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Gavin.
Bye. Bye.